Hey everybody, welcome to Laura's Cooking Channel. Today we are going to be making a breakfast pizza. This is a fun recipe. Doesn't matter what you have in the house, you'll be able to participate. Let's get into it. Okay, this is how we make breakfast pizzas, and like I had said earlier, I'm going to start out with just a regular 9-inch pie tin, and I've greased it. So you're going to spray it down with some grease or oil it up a little bit. Then I'm going to lay my flour tortillas in here. You know, if you have a larger tortilla, these are smaller, but if you have a larger tortilla, you could probably just put one in. But I need to put a few in because I need the tortilla to kind of lay, just like you're seeing it, where it's going to kind of lay up and around the edge there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put about 5 to 6 eggs in. And I'm just going to tease these eggs up a little bit. Not going to whisk them. I'm just going to kind of mix them up a little bit. This generally can be a healthy recipe as well, depending on what you want to add to your toppings here. We're going to add spinach today. We're going to add some onion, tomato. I'm going to add some bacon, which isn't super healthy, but a little bit of protein there. So I've just kind of stirred the eggs a little bit. I am going to put in some garlic powder. So probably about a half a teaspoon or so is some garlic powder. Kind of do a pinch of salt here. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees while I'm building my pizza. And then I'm going to add some cheese here. Now you can use whatever cheese you have in the house. If you like mozzarella, I happen to have sharp cheddar. But I'm just going to sprinkle some cheese on here. But like I said, you could add whatever you have in the house. If you've got Parmesan, you've got Colby Jack, cheddar, whatever you want to build your pizza with there. Next, I'm going to sprinkle in some onion. It's fun to make these with the kids too because they can make their own pizza. Next, I'm going to put in some fresh spinach. Really kind of starts to turn the color up a little bit too, doesn't it? And then on top of that, I'm going to put some tomatoes. Super easy, pretty quick too. Pretty quick, and you're going to have a nice breakfast pizza. And then I've got some crumpled up bacon I'm going to put on the top. And there we go. So now I'm going to take this and put it in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All of the instructions will be in the description alone. Ooh, look at that. Breakfast pizza. Yum, yum, yum. Right out of the oven. And we're going to drop that right on our board there to cut. So let me tell you what, this is a 9-inch pie tin that we presented this in, and this would probably feed 2 people for breakfast. 2 or 3 people. The tortillas are nice and crispy. That's what the bottom looks like. Let me see if I can show you what the bottom looks like. Right there. Nice and brown and crispy. And look at that. Wow, wow. Look at that. Packed full of eggs and cheese. Everything that you have in your house, you can dump in your breakfast pizza. So let's try our breakfast pizza. It's going to be super hot. Wow. That is really good. It almost tastes like, I feel like I'm at a fast food restaurant getting a breakfast sandwich. The spices and the salt and the pepper, along with everything that we put in, the cheeses, really has a nice kind of a sinful taste, but I think it's actually pretty good for us. So very delicious. 10 out of 10 again. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.